We'll be there. A wink and a smile and a great old time. You will be there. Wherever we are, there's a fun to be found. We'll be there when you turn that corner. We jump out the bush with a big beard on and a smile. We'll be there.
Hey guys, Damon here. I'm back with another video of the series. So first, what we are going to do long division with wee bear bears: panda bear, ice bear, grizzly bear, Chloe, and yeah, let's get straight to it. So firstly, what we do is we need to see how many times 9 goes into 4. 9 goes into 1, so you put 0 over there because it goes no times. Yeah. Then after that, what you need to do is see how many times 9 goes into 14. Combine both digits together, so you get 14. So you just do 1 because 9 goes into 14 once, and then over here you put how many? You put 9 because 9 times 1 is 9. Put over there, and then subtract it. 14 minus 9, which is 5, and then you put 5 over there. Then what you need to do is bring the 9 down here, put 15, make it to 59, combine both digits together again. Then you see how many times 9 goes into 59, which is 6. Yeah, it's 6. So you have to see it's 16 now. So you put 9 times 6, which is 54. Oh shit. Okay, let's just keep going. Then you do that 59 minus 54, which is 5, and that will be your remainder over here. So you put 16 or 5. That's basically what you do. Now for the next question, what we will need to do over here is basically the same steps. So we need to do 3 into 1, 3 into 5, sorry, which is, it goes 1 time this time because it doesn't go 0 this time. Then you go over here, and then you put over here, 3, then 5 minus 3, which is 1, which is 2. Sorry. 5 minus 3, which is 2. Then after that, what you need to do is just put it to then over here you need to put the 6 over here. So 20, so you put 6 over there. Now it's 26. So what we need to do is 3 into 26. How many times is 3 going to 26? 8. It's 8, and then you go over here, and then underneath it you put 24. And then underneath that, your answer is 2. Then we do put 8 over here, right? We put the 8 from there over here. Then we do 3 into 28, so that goes 7 times. So after that we just do we put minus 27, and that equals to 1. And then once again we have a remainder, so we put R1. Whatever numbers here you just put on top. Now for this question, over here, we can see it's kind of the same thing. But let's get straight to it. So we do, how many times does 4 go into 7, which is 1. It goes 1 time. And then we put 4 over here. And then over here we put 3, because that's the answer. Then you put 3, and then you put this 3 over here onto here, which is 33. So 4 into 33, 4 into 33, which is 8. And then you put 32, because 4 times 8 is 32. No one needs to explain that. Then that equals to 1, right? Now we have to put the 5 over here. This 5 over here, we need to put it right next to the 1. So then we put 5 over there, and then after that we need to see how many times 4 goes into 15. So then what we need to do is we need to put 3 over here, and then underneath we just put 12 minus 12, which is equal to 3. And then that is your remainder, basically 3. Yeah, you guys. Then we just put remainder 3. So that's your answer for this one, guys. Now for the last question, we have 4 digits. So first of all, what we need to do is see how many times 3 goes into 7, which is 2 times. Then we need to see how many times. Then we need to do 3 times 2, which is 6. 6 minus 6, which is 1. Great. Now we need to put the 8 over here. Sorry, 8. Then we need to see how many times 3 goes into 18. So you put 6 over here. 3 times 6 is 18. It goes perfectly this time, for some reason. Okay, then you do, you get 0. You get 0, sorry. You get 0 after that. And then, what you need to do is move this 4 over here. So you get 0, 4. Then you do, how many times 3 goes into 4, which is 1. So you put 1 over here, and then you do 4 minus 3, which is equal to 1. Then we need to put 1 over here. Then we put the 6 from here onto here. Then after that, when you put when you do 3 into 16, which is 5, put 5 over here. And then minus 15, which is equal to 1. And now you need to put the remainder over here. Remainder 1. And that's it, guys. We are done with all these questions. Hope you like this video. Hope you subscribe.